in our ERP's ecosystem, there really weren't a lot of options. So we knew that we were going to be building an integration that probably didn't exist yet. And as we spoke to many software providers out there, including some very, very large ones, we were pretty disappointed in the lack of flexibility from some of these, quote unquote, enterprise tier TMS offerings. And many of the products were disqualified during the initial discovery calls. We'd hit a technological or design impasse, or often we'd ask really specific technical questions and bring up specific concerns. And we'd be met with somewhat generic pre-sales responses that didn't give us a lot of trust. Now, with RateLinx, Shannon himself was involved in the conversations from day one. And that in itself is a big positive, considering the level of support that we were coming from at the time, to have Shannon in there himself. I felt like he approached the project with an engineer's mindset, trying to solve a problem. He was not approaching it as a salesman trying to close a deal.
Ooh.
And ultimately, RateLinx came to the table with a plan that was the best fit for us and what we needed, and gave us the highest level of confidence to move forward by far.